guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the brand new KKW Classic Collection. Let me show you guys the PR box. Very simple. It's very Kim K. Matches my backdrop. Ooh. So when you open it, you have the palette, which I got lipstick all over, and then 4 peach lipsticks. You also get 4 peach lip liners, and I believe she sells this as a set, or you can buy everything individual. So this is actually a lot like her other launch with the packaging and just kind of like the neutral, toned down kind of look. So at first, when I first saw this, I was a little underwhelmed. When they had, I guess, teased that another palette was coming out, I was hoping that it wouldn't be something neutral. Like, I was hoping it was something that I would be excited about. And then when I saw it, I was like, so here's a palette, and I will try on the colors, so I'm not going to swatch them for you. But this is the eyeshadow palette, and from a consumer standpoint, when you look at this, you're like, ugh, I've seen like 1,500 nude palettes over the past 2 years. But from a brand standpoint, I guess it makes sense to have this in your arsenal. Like, you always want like a neutral palette. So when I first looked at it, I was like, we gonna see, you know what I mean? But the lipsticks, however, the lipsticks kind of stole my heart, and it's one of the reasons why I wanted to do this review, because I love peach lipsticks. And you know what's funny? I did a Twitter poll and an Instagram stories poll, and it was like 50-50 whether I should do this review. I was like, you know, because usually with KKW products, Kylie products, most of the time you guys want to see it. So I was like a little shook. I was like, maybe everyone's thinking like what I'm thinking, that they're just underwhelmed by the palette. I mean, who knows? So in this video, you guys are going to see me apply the shadow, and you will see me apply every single lip color. Yes. I feel like that's just best. Like, you want to see what it looks like on, we might as well try it on in the video. So let's get started. All right, what to do? I think it would be predictable for me to use this color in the crease first. Actually, this one right here, this is really, okay. So on days when I don't like to look like I have a lot of makeup on, I'll usually do like a matte on the lid. And this is actually looking pretty good for that type of situation. We're not doing that today. We'll do this one. What's the name? I don't know. Let's see, bottom right, I think that's Family, but this shade here, we're gonna start with this in the crease. This is like a mauve. I'm like terrible at accents, by the way. This is like a mauve shade. Yeah, that was bad. Mauve. I usually do like a brown in the crease first, but we're switching it up today. Switching things up. Oh, hairline's looking a little crazy. You know what I'm noticing about this palette? I was trying to figure out why it looks like a little better. They made the surface right here, a little bit more shiny. It's hard to tell in the video, but yeah, it's a little upgrade so that the shadow doesn't like stain and make it look messy. Because before, like this, like it just, see how there's like no fallout on the palette? It's because they made it shiny. I mean, this is only the second palette, but y'all know what I mean. That's a nice little adjustment. Still like to see the names, but you know. Now I'm gonna go in with Gemini, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm just gonna put this right on top in the crease. Oh, we have pigment, do we? Yes, we do. I made some shrimp before I started, before I started filming, and it's like sitting on the stove right now. Oh, it smells so good. Doing a little meal prep for the next couple days. I'm trying to do like 2 days a week of no meat or like seafood, so we'll see how that turns out. All right, I'm gonna use my P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor number 3, and I'm just gonna put it all over my lid. I may cut it, I may not, but I've been like wanting to try this in a deeper shade ever since Karen and I filmed together. I've been wanting this eyeshadow base because it's pretty good. Whoa, I didn't say that right. Pretty good. There we go. Okay, we're gonna cut it. I was like waiting to see what my hands would do, and they just wanted to cut it, so we gonna cut the crease. Little baby cut. This eyeshadow base is actually like really creamy, so it makes it easy to cut it up. All right, I'm gonna apply Chicago, which is this like bronzy shade all over the lid. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I want you guys to like be honest with me and tell me the truth. Especially those of you who work 9 to 5. Do you like all of these neutral palettes that keep coming out because it's like you can actually use it every day, or are you guys like over all of these kind of like bronzy neutral palettes? I'm like really curious because it's different for me because I can wear like crazy makeup every day, but I know a lot of you guys kind of like to keep it maybe like simple or at least kind of neutral when you're at work. Not all of you, but you know, most of you do. That's what I would do. If I had a 9 to 5, I would just like wear shades like this every day, all day. I wanna know. All right, next I'm gonna apply the lightest shade in the palette, Saint, on the inner lid. Right up in here. Cute. All right, I'm switching to a smaller pencil brush and I'm gonna smudge the darkest shade in the palette under my lash line. A little bit of fallout. There's like a little bit of fallout, which I kind of experienced on the other palette. Just a little bit. It wasn't like crazy like last time, but there was a little bit of fallout. Even though I feel like I've seen this palette before or like similar palettes, I do like the idea of having more of like a plum in the crease with these bronze shades. Like I'm really liking how the crease looks right now and it's different. Something different from my like orange, you know, colors I love so much. I mean, I'm still gonna wear my orange, but this is cute. You know what? I really like this bronze color, Chicago. It's like a coppery bronze, so it's a little bit more vibrant than the bronze shade in her previous palette. It's really pretty though. This is weird because like looking at the palette, I was like, you know, boring. But after putting it on, I'm like, this is cute. All right, I'm gonna line my eyes with the Shady Gel Liner from Dose of Colors. I love a cream liner. Just goes on so smooth. Super smooth. I feel like a brown liner with this would have even looked really cute. Little brown liner. I'm gonna wing this out a little bit too. There it is. All right, I'm gonna finish off the eyeshadow with my Big Shot Mascara and my Lily Lashes in Miami. Watch, this look is about to go to season 10 real quick. Okay, I am loving and living for this eyeshadow look. Like I love it. All right, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup, well, besides my lips. So basically just my cheeks off camera and I will be right back. All right, I'm back. I just put a little bit of my ColourPop Pose highlight and Bobbi Brown, I think it was Coral. Is it Coral? Apricot blush, which Sean told me might be discontinued. If not, Coral is equally as good, but that's my little favorite combo right now. All right, so KKW came out with 4 peach lipsticks and 4 matching lip liners. So I'm gonna try all of them on, starting with peach number 4, which is the darkest one. So this is peach 4 lip liner with peach 4 lipstick. So this is definitely like burnt orange kind of color. Like on the darker end of peach, if you will. Oh, this is almost like a red, like an orange red. This is actually kind of cute, huh? What do y'all think of number 4? All right, this is peach 3. This is definitely like a true peach. A Georgia peach. Okay, so typically I wear brown liner with almost everything. You guys know this. Look at my track record. So yeah, I probably wouldn't wear this lip liner. Like I like the color, but on my skin tone, it's like a little too bright. All right, this is peach 3 lipstick. Ooh, this is vibrant. Yeah, see with my skin tone, it's almost like, I mean, this actually looks cute, but I would probably do like a darker lip liner, maybe even peach 4 with this. I like this shade though. Should I take off my headband and look cute or not? I mean, we're halfway done at this point. This is real cute though. Okay, so peach 2 and peach 1 lip liner are too light, just so you guys can see it. Like I don't do that. I don't wear light lip liners like this. Too light. See that? So I'm not gonna play myself. We're not gonna do that. I'm actually gonna use her KKW Nude 2 lip liner, which is like, it's been like my go-to. It's like, bomb. Okay, yeah, so Nude 2 lip liner, which for me is like a neutral, it's just like the perfect nude. Love this. All right, and then we're gonna try Peach 2 lipstick, which I've worn already. I wore this over the weekend. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. So when you have a deeper skin tone, even if you don't have a deeper skin tone, like look at how the lipstick blends in with the brown lip liner. You know what I mean? It kind of gives, not a natural effect, but kind of, just makes the lips look better. I always recommend blending in like a neutral brown into like colors like this, any light color pretty much. So I'm gonna go back over it. So you apply the lip liner. Okay, you put the lipstick on, and I like to apply my lip liner kind of thick, so when I put the lipstick on, it blends. And then afterward, you go over it with the lip liner. See, it looks nice and blended. Ooh, yeah, peach too. You can put gloss over this. I really like this color. You guys know if I'll like something because I'll tell you like 15 times. I'm like, ooh, I really like it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, so I lined with Nude 2 again, and now I'm gonna apply Peach 1 lipstick, which is like a really light nude peachy shade. Oh yeah. Ooh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So see how like I could just leave it like that? No. Blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Ooh, this is super cute. You guys know this is actually like my look. I feel like this is like my signature look that I love to do so much. Ooh, I'm kind of impressed. Honestly, I'm kind of pleasantly surprised. The Peach 1, the Peach 2 lipstick, I'm definitely gonna rewear those along with Peach 3. Well, Peach 3, like maybe sometimes, but Peach 1 and 2, ooh, I like them a lot. I think the only products that or the only lip colors that I'm not gonna wear from the collection are the 2 lip liners that are just too light for me. And also with the palette, even though just looking at it, I wasn't excited. I really like the eyeshadow palette. It's just like an everyday, well, not even, like these eyes are kind of dramatic. I mean, it has your everyday colors, but I feel like it's a good kind of natural palette if you're looking for a new one to get. Yeah, I was honestly like doing this review at first, I wasn't excited about it because I was just, the eyeshadow palette wasn't doing anything for me. Just seeing it online, and now that I've played with it, I really like it a lot. I like this a lot better than the first one, even though the first one was nice, but I feel like this is a good, just basic everyday kind of palette. You guys already know, I wish the names were on the front, but whatever. A lot of people don't care. Yeah, I like it. I like how I look. Oh, a quick tip. I personally would recommend just using Nude 2. Like if your my skin tone a little lighter, a little darker, use Nude 2 lip liner with all the lipsticks. Even her first round of lipsticks, I think you'll like it. I've been using it all the time, and it's like one of my new favorite lip liners. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to comment below, subscribe to my channel, and last but not least, strut and slay.